Hello everyone, this is Eva from Dreamco Studios. By now, you probably have heard the news that the current Google Universal Analytics is going away. Love it, hate it, it is a reality. If you are running or planning to run any Google ad, it is important to integrate the new Google Analytics 4 with your current Google Ad account. This way, when Google Universal Analytics retires next year, you can continue to analyze the campaign performance in your GA4 account. So, in this video, I want to show you how to integrate the new Google Analytics 4 property with your Google Ad account, and where you can see the data in your GA4 report. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we want to do is to connect your GA4 property with your Google Ad account. Here, I'm on the admin page of my demo GA4 account. You will see an option called Google Ads Links under the property. Click Link. Choose Google Ads account. Here, you will see a list of Google Ad accounts that you have access to. So in order to link to account, you must have added permission on the GA4 property and admin access on the Google Ad account. So make sure you have the right permission on both accounts that you want to connect. Click Confirm, Next. So the personalized advertising and auto tagging are enabled by default. I will leave both options on as it is. Review all the information. Make sure you have the right Google Ads account selected. Click Submit. Once the Google Ads account is connected, you will see the information on this page. You can see the account name, account ID, and when it is linked. It could take up to 24 hours for you to see the data in your GA4 account. If you want to create and use audience list in your Google Ad account, you also have to enable Google Signals. Go to Data Settings, choose Data Collection. Make sure to read through the requirements and the documentation before enabling this feature. Click Continue. Active. Now you can create an audience list in your GA4 property and use the same list for targeting in your Google Ad account. After linking these two accounts, the next thing you want to do is to set up conversion events for key action that you want to track on your website. For instance, you might want to track a thank you page view conversion, or a pop-up form submission, or a content download. There are multiple ways to set up conversion events depending on the type of event you want to track. This could be a whole separate topic for a different video. But here, I will include some tutorial resource from other creators below this video on how each method works. The last thing I want to go over is to show where you can actually see the data in your GA4 report. Okay, now we are on the reports snapshot page. From here, you will see two snapshots of user acquisition and the traffic acquisition. By default, the traffic coming from your Google paid campaign is categorized under paid search. Google also has a detailed documentation on how its default channel grouping works if you are interested in learning more. Now let's head back to our GA4 account. Under Acquisition, click Acquisition Overview. Here you will see a table to view Google Ads campaign performance. This report provides you a lot more information and data on how your campaign performed. Information like user, session, Google Ad click, Google Ad cost. If you have conversion events set up, you can also see how many conversions were generated by each campaign. You can also change the option here from Google Ad campaign to ad group, keyword tags, or query. Here is an overview of how to integrate your GA4 Google Ad account and where to see the report in your GA4 property. Of course, there are a lot more you can do after linking these two accounts. For instance, you can set up custom audience based on the page people have viewed, the action they have taken on your website, and use those lists for retargeting campaign. You can also create a customer report to see more detailed insight about your campaign performance. I hope this video is helpful to help you with the transition. Send me a message if you have any questions or just wondered out. Have a great day.